Well, you're probably wondering how I got into this situation. It all started off as, you know,
Bye, Manny!
a casual use of Mito's mod and the ability to fire GBU bombs out of a normal rifle. Then, after a little bit of firing, I got sent into orbit and I am now falling to the ground. Will I survive? I have no idea. But one will find out in due time. Well, besides the fact that I just defied literally physics, and hovered over the ground while landing safely, having no inertial force or whatever, it is time for going up again.